Introduction. Have you ever wondered how tiny electronic devices like smartphones, computers, and radios actually work? At the heart of modern electronics lies one crucial component, the transistor. This small device acts like a switch or an amplifier, making all digital technology possible. What is a transistor? A transistor is a semiconductor device that can control the flow of electric current. It was invented in 1947 and replaced bulky vacuum tubes, leading to the miniaturization of electronics. Today, billions of transistors are packed inside a single microprocessor chip. Types of transistors. There are mainly two types of transistors: bipolar junction transistor, or BJT, which uses both electrons and holes as charge carriers, and field effect transistor, or FET, which controls current using an electric field. BJTs are further classified into NPN and PNP types, while FETs include MOSFETs widely used in integrated circuits. Working principle. Let's take the NPN BJT as an example. It has three regions: emitter, base, and collector. A small current at the base allows a much larger current to flow from the collector to the emitter. This property makes the transistor extremely useful as an amplifier and a switch. Applications. Transistors are used in amplifiers to boost weak signals, switches in digital circuits, computers and processors with billions of transistors working together, power regulation in power supplies, and almost every modern electronic device. Advantages and impact. Compared to vacuum tubes, transistors are smaller, more efficient, cheaper, generate less heat, and last longer. In fact, the invention of the transistor is considered one of the greatest milestones in human history, giving birth to the information age. Closing. In summary, the transistor may look like a tiny component, but it is the building block of modern electronics. Without it, smartphones, computers, and even the internet as we know it would not exist. Thank you for watching.